Okay, these are the different games of ChemiProject. First of all, we have ChemiProject 1.1, the expansion, the normal version, the A ChemiProject, and the mini version, ChemiProject Mini. That three versions are in the Game Crafter, and in addition we have the version of Kindle that you can buy in Kindle Amazon. And here in this video we are gonna do the unboxing of the smaller game, ChemiProject Mini. So let's start. We open it, and once we open it, okay, we can find the instructions inside of the game. There are three different ways to play for beginners, intermediates, and large intermediates. And according with this, you can learn and have fun with chemistry. Here are the different cards of the game that it's necessary to split it. And once you finish, you will be able to play. So at the end we have 36 cards, in which each card is a different molecules, and in the edge of the cards, this is the molecule, in the edge of the card we have the functional groups, which is a specific part of the molecule that is used for make the connections and play in this game. So in another video we are gonna show how to play the different versions, and from the moment that's all. Thank you so much.